Here I'm jumping to another set of users of the same engine, where we are analyzing, typically the IQVIA data. That means if I am the commercial manager or head of the commercial activity, I want to know how my competition is doing, purely in terms of sale. So here we have integrated the system, which Ravi is going to talk a little after, with the IQVIA data that the company purchased. And those data has been fit to the system, and the manager can run, or ask a prompt, what are the competition drugs to Eligard, and how are they doing based on the BRIC data. So those who are not familiar with BRIC data is a block of measure for pharmaceutical sales data. So now I have run this prompt, and now it is telling me, okay, bear in mind, Eligard is targeted at prostate cancer. And in German market, the nearest competitions are the following. This one is from AbbVie. This one, I believe it is from AstraZeneca. So that means your competition is closing in. If I am the manager, I will be saying that, okay, hey, how do I try to push back, AbbVie and AstraZeneca from my competition? So what type of messages I should be sending, or what type of further activities I should be doing? How my drug is more better clinically than my competition drugs? So those questions I will be asking, and I will be planning for it. So the beauty of this system, traditionally, if you want to see the competition data, then you go to one dashboard which is playing with all your sales data. Typically, we go to Power BI or click dashboards and see. But the beauty of this system, everything is coming out of this one platform. So now we can jump to a clinical question, because in the backend we have integrated this with clinical papers, so that it can also help the commercial team to figure out what are the clinical advantages of Eligard over their nearest competition, that is Lupron, which is one AbbVie drug.